Business Expert analyzes 15 Kenyan entrepreneurs who built their businesses from scratch. Did you know that 90% of startups in Kenya struggle to survive past their third year? Yet, some defy the odds like Peter Dudati, who turned a small insurance idea into a multi-million-dollar empire. What makes them different? Welcome to Moment with Andbenz, where we spotlight real stories that inspire. Today, we're diving into the world of 15 bold Kenyan entrepreneurs who started with nothing, no inheritance, no big investors, just grit, resilience, and a dream. Entrepreneurship in Kenya is not for the faint-hearted. These visionaries face daily challenges. Access to capital remains a huge barrier, with banks offering limited support. Market penetration is tough, especially when competing with established brands, and let's not forget regulatory hurdles and unstable infrastructure. But despite these odds, a new generation of entrepreneurs is rewriting the Kenyan business playbook. Let's meet a few of them. Catherine Mahugu launched an e-commerce platform connecting African artisans to global markets starting from her college dorm. Lorna Rutto, once a banker, founded Decapost, turning plastic waste into durable fencing posts. Mesha Kalois, founder of Sendi, disrupted Kenya's delivery industry using tech-based logistics. From agribusiness to fintech, fashion to manufacturing, each story shows a different face of innovation. These 15 entrepreneurs came from diverse backgrounds but shared one thing: a refusal to quit. One of the most powerful stories is that of Tabitha Karanja, founder of Kerak Breweries. She faced intense pushback from established giants yet pushed forward to become the first woman to run a beer company in Kenya. Another is Samgi Churu, who launched Naylab, a tech incubator that's helped hundreds of startups flourish. Their breakthroughs weren't just business wins, they were statements of possibility for all Kenyans. These entrepreneurs didn't just build businesses, they built hope. Their stories reveal that innovation, persistence, and local insight can fuel world-class success right here in Kenya. Which of these stories inspired you the most? Drop it in the comments. And if you're passionate about African entrepreneurship, check out this next video where we explore the rise of tech startups across the continent. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. You don't want to miss what's coming next on Moment with Nbins.